I already talked about the start window, code analysis. So code analysis is kind of still in a strange point right now. So let's just sort of be real about doing code analysis. First of all, you will be prompted by Visual Studio to install the Vizix package, and I would recommend you don't do that. It's actually related to some UI features that won't then render on the command line. And so it'll do code analysis, but it won't work on the command line and won't work in your DevOps build or in your build system. And so I would actually suggest you don't install the Vizix. Instead, what you want to do is go ahead and install the code analysis packages. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click on here and do Manage NuGet Packages. And I'm going to go do a browse. And I'm going to type fxcop using the old name. Whoops, I should do an fx. So I would choose this one in terms of your code analysis. This will install some default rules. This one also has dependencies on other ones. So rather than installing the individual other ones, it goes ahead and has a bunch of dependencies that it installs for you. So rather than installing individually, you can go and install this Microsoft Code Analysis fxcop analyzers. Be careful here when you type analyzers. So if you type code analyzers here, code analysis, let's try that. It searches and finds a whole bunch, but read through the help because sometimes it says, that's a good one. It basically says frequently this is intended for people writing code analyzers or something like that. So be sure the ones you install are actually intended to be that type. I'm going to time conscious. Is that with Chris or without questions?
2 minutes till.
Got it. Thank you. So install your code analyzers, and then you will start getting warnings for your code that you can use the control period to go ahead and deal with those warnings. I think this is the easiest thing to do to improve your code the fastest, because it just tells you, hey, you're doing some bad stuff, and you learn a ton by just analyzing the warnings you're getting and how to process those.